You've learned using two content layout in ActivePresenter to create two questions in a slide through the previous video. Now, what will you do if you want to add more than two questions in a slide? Will you use the two content layout in the normal editing view? Will you copy and paste the placeholder containing question icons? Don't do that, because the placeholder will turn into a blank shape. Let's try out today's example. I am going to build up the layouts, including 3 and 4 questions. In the Slide Master view, right-click the two content layout, and select Duplicate Layout. By doing so, we can reuse all the settings for questions and buttons from the two content layout. Then, rename the two newly duplicated layouts. Next, you are free to customize each layout as you wish. You can also rearrange the layout and copy the placeholder. When completing, close the Slide Master view to save the changes. Now, select the desired layouts and add multiple questions. Here's what you've got. That's it.